Hi guys, in this video I will give you every details you need about our Ultimate WebView product. As you can see, I have also prepared a little presentation and I will tell you everything in detail, all the questions you have in your mind. So let's start. First of all, I am going to discuss how you can test our demo. Then I will tell you about different versions of Ultimate WebView that we will provide you. Then we will also discuss about Firebase push notification. Then frequently asked questions I will answer. I will also discuss about license, payment, download code, how you will download our code, support and customization. So let's start with how to test our demo. Testing demo for to test demo, you just open our product page and here you need to scroll and then you will see test live app demo. So just click on this button, get it on Google Play. So you click on it and it will take you to the Play Store. If you will open this link using your phone, it will directly open in the Play Store and you can install our app to test it. And if you are opening on a website, then you just copy this link and share it to yourself on the phone via WhatsApp or any other way you can. Now if you, after you have installed our demo, then you can see that I have installed the app in our phone also, and now I will share my phone screen to show you how you can test the demo actually. So after you have installed our demo, just scroll down and you will see try demo for your website. In this I have already mentioned three steps. So here you just need to click on open Google. Click on open Google and here search your website. Now your website will show in the Google and open it. Then you can see that your website has opened in the Ultimate WebView demo. Now this is exactly you can play with your app functionality, and this is exactly how it will work when you will put your link in our Ultimate WebView code after you purchase it. So this is exactly how it will work. So I think now it makes sense how you can test our app demo. The next part I want to discuss is about different versions of WebView that we will provide you. So what happen after purchase? You will get our Ultimate WebView code. This is our code, and you will get custom WebView version also. So for example, first version is without action bar. So what is without action bar? If I open a screenshot, and in this screenshot you can see that there is a header, home, share icon. So this is a header which we have added in our customizations, but your website also has a header and you want only website header to show. So then in that case you just use our this version without action bar and the header won't show. So this will be easy for you to just use this code, and no header, no our header will come, only your website header will come. Now if you want to use without ads version, you don't want to show any ads, you can use this version. If you don't want to show swipe to refresh, then you can use this version. If you don't want to show swipe to refresh and no ads, then you can use this version. So we have 4 customized versions for you, additional to our default WebView demo which we are showing in our demo. So now I hope this also now makes sense that you will get different versions of WebView. The next part is what about Firebase push notification. So sending push notifications through Firebase is easy and it is free currently. So for that we have share a documentation. Mean after your purchase you will get this documentation, and easily you can follow Firebase steps easily. Change your package name, put your file, and once you put that file, we have mentioned the steps how you can send push notifications to your user. It is easy. If you face any issue, we will help in our support. Now the next we will discuss is few frequently asked questions, and in that I will talk about WebView limitations. WebView do have limitations. So basically, what happens in a WebView? Website is converted into an Android app, but it has a limitations, like your website has some custom form where customer will upload images, or maybe like you can say it has some kind of mic permissions where customers record something on the website. So such type of functionality won't work inside a WebView. For that you will have to create custom app. So WebView have a limitation, that is why it is recommended you first test your demo, and after testing the demo only you can purchase it. Now the next thing is how to make changes in code and publish on Play Store. For that you will get this exact same documentation and you can follow, make changes. Like you have to change, first of all you have to change your Firebase package name, then you have to change app name, app icon, you have to put your links. So let me show you. So this is the code. Here you will put your links, website links that you want to open in the in WebView. So we have a detailed documentation. If you face any issue, we will help in our support. Now the next thing is code updates. You will get code updates as we fix any bugs, or maybe there is new update for new Android version, so you will get the updates. So next we will move to the license. So you get unlimited license, but our support will be only for single app. So our support will be limited for single app, but you can create as many apps you want. And then what about payment? You can easily pay. Just scroll on our website. After features, you will see the payment part will come. So this is our standard plan, this is our combo plan. So in standard plan you will get our ultimate WebView Android app source code, and in our combo pack you will see that we have different codes. Just click on this link, e-commerce code, open in new tab, and here you will see our another e-commerce product. So in combination of 9 apps you will get for this price, and this is for a single app. Now here you just need to click on add to cart. If you are from India, you can use this add to cart. Click on this button, make the payment, and after payment what will happen, you will get a link to login in an account. So what will be the link? So in our product section you can just log in and download the code. So let me see, I just reset the password for my account. So if I now log in here, after login your account will open like this, and you can download code from here. So this is very easy. If you face any issue, if your account is not created or you face any other issue, you can always let us know in our support. Now I already showed you how you will download the code, because from this page only you can download your code. Now the next thing is support. Our support is Monday to Friday, and if you face any issue you can let us know. We will help you in fixing the bugs. Sometimes we may take 24 to 48 hours to reply, but we will try our best to reply as soon as possible. For customizations, for example, if you want some new features in WebView for yourself, then we will charge, and that charges will depend on your requirement. So there's no fixed charges we can give you. You just have to tell us, then we will get back to you on this. So I hope now I have made every point clear about our ultimate WebView product. If you still have any questions, you can always let us know, and we will definitely answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.